Hello, my friend. Today to talk about the PCBA processing need to pay attention to what points. Rules to be followed in PCBA processing. PCBA processing is precision processing. Include operation main course cracking, breakage, circuit breaking, bending and factory of components and connectors, eventually leading to damage of electronic components and PCBA. To avoid these situations, we will abide by the following rules in the process of PCBA processing. First, keeping the working environment clean. The working environment includes two parts. One is the working shop area. The other is the working bench. Must ensure clean, tidy, cannot have any food, drink, and other items, cannot place ashtrays, cigarettes, and other items. No smoking. Second, reduce PCBA processing steps. The PCBA processing is not that complicated. Instead, PCBA processing manufacturers emphasize that less is more. It is best to minimize the processing steps of PCBA to reduce the risk. At the same time, in the operation, must cooperate with gloves. Do not disturb direct use. It is easy to hurt the hand, cause injury. In addition, we will change the gloves frequently so as not to affect the operation. Third, do not operate with bare hands. Grease in the hand can reduce the solderability of the assembly. Therefore, we do not allow direct operation with bare hands or fingers, thus reducing welding ability. First, don't use hand cream or silicone-based cleaners. Both of these conditions will result in reduced solderability and feel free of coating to adhere. Therefore, do not use, which is the basic principle of shop operation and will be followed by any employee. 6. PCBA does not stack in the process of operation. The novice may stack the PCBA board together because of the unskilled operation, which is easy to damage the PCBA board, so it is strictly prohibited to use. The correct method is to put it in a special configured special bracket. Okay, that's all for today's PCBA learning. This is Coonie. Follow us for more information about PCB.